Did you know animated videos could skyrocket your channel? Let's break it down in 5 easy steps. First things first, research and writing. Pick a topic that speaks to your audience. Dive deep into research and script out a killer storyline. Remember, a strong script is your video's backbone. Next up, audio. Grab a decent mic and start recording. Clear, crisp audio is a must. Don't forget to add some personality to your voice. Now let's get visual with illustration. Sketch out your scenes and characters. Keep it simple but striking. Use vibrant colors to make your visuals pop. Step 4, animation. Bring those illustrations to life. Use tools like Adobe Animate or Toon Boom. Remember, smooth and engaging movement keeps viewers hooked. Lastly, editing and music. Trim any fluff and tighten your video. Add some background music that matches your vibe. And don't forget those sound effects for extra flair. And there you have it. 5 easy steps to master the art of animated YouTube videos. So, what are you waiting for? Get animated and wow your audience.